Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Leah, the Fitted Gem, and Chelsea from Skin Bomb Apothecary, and today we're going to be making a hair mask DIY. Ooh. Chelsea has a really cool recipe and she's going to be showing us what we need to do, all of the ingredients we need, and yeah, let's get started. Let's do that.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take a can of coconut milk, and coconut milk is amazing for both your hair and your skin. So you're going to pour coconut milk in here. It has a lot of niacin in it, which is really good for stimulating hair growth. And then you're going to take your avocado. Hannah, you want to do it?
Sure. To be honest.
You're going to take, it depends on how much you want to make, but if, since we have Leah's hair, which is really long, and Hannah's hair,
which is also not really that long.
It's also really long. We're gonna do a whole cup of coconut milk and 2 avocados. And the last thing we're gonna add is our olive oil. So olive oil has a lot of
plastic container.
From a plastic container already measured out for us. So try to get organic, cold pressed, extra virgin olive oil. It's the best kind you can get. And you're gonna pour this in last. I would say about 1/4 of a cup. You're gonna pour it in there. And olive oil is full of omega-3s, which is great for both skin and hair. Now it's this beautiful green color. Yes. Okay. And now Leah and I are going to apply it to our face, and Hannah's going to put it in her beautiful hair.
Okay, so I'm just going to start by smoothing it on my hair with my hands. I'll use sections about this big, so. I'm just gonna take a glob about this size. Make sure your hair is saturated. Focus on the ends. This is quite messy, so I recommend doing this in a place you don't mind getting dirty. So if you're a filthy mess, you know you did it right. These are my results. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about 20 minutes and then wash it out very well. And yeah, that's what it looks.
Hannah just finished applying the mask to her hair, so we're going to apply it to our faces now. So if you have one of the clay mask brushes that come with either of my masks, you can use that. If not, your hands are completely okay, but we have a brush. Leah's gonna apply it to my face now, and we wanted to do this mask so that way you guys could see something that you can make at home with ingredients you probably already have your face. I can't see. The ingredients that you probably already have at home. So, as you can see, it's thoroughly on my face right now. I did a lighter coat on her face. You can definitely do more of a thick one like she did on mine. This is something that you can make at home for both your face and your hair. So you should try it out. And now I'm gonna leave this on my skin for about, same thing, 20 minutes. Alright guys, I hope you learned something today. We hope you enjoyed it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Take it away. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. It was lots of fun. We're gonna hang out for 20 minutes.
It's recording.
Is it? Yeah. Cool. Okay. And then also, we need a spoon. I like how you helped after I helped.
I did?
You're like, oh, a spoon. We need a spoon.
This is Graley and I'm like her.
Graley, okay. Good. Good. So I'm gonna.
Yeah, what? Some breakfast.
Okay. If when you're done applying it to your face, you can just enjoy a nice little snack. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So I hope you learned something. Loud clap. Now how you like it? Alright guys, so I hope you learned something. Loud clap. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you try the mask and let us know how you like it.